Elmo.
Welcome everybody, you don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm excited to bring this new episode, new contents to you guys, you see me? So make sure you guys go subscribe to Jamaican Puppets so you can watch the rest of the video. You see me? Link I got in the description and the channel link I got the right here, so you can just click this little circle, you see me, and go tune in on the video. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, you see me? And you don't know your boy Jnel. New content coming soon. Trick questions coming soon.